Today we're going to talk about a couple of the differences between the Cimex machine and the Vibe machine. We have people calling sometimes, which one should I buy? So stay tuned and hopefully we'll iron out a few of the details between the two machines so that you can make a good selection. What are the differences between the Cimex and the Vibe? To start off, the Cimex weighs about 10 pounds more. It comes in at 105 pounds versus 95 for the Vibe. Now, the Vibe would be a little easier to perhaps transport, being 10 pounds lighter. Cimex is going to scrub a little bit more aggressively. It has that beefiness to it that's helpful when it comes to especially large commercial carpet cleaning applications. The Cimex comes stock with 7-inch wheels. The Vibe comes with 10-inch wheels. 10-inch wheel is going to be easier to transport, easier to roll, easier to get in and out of the building, and easier to roll on the carpet. However, on the Cimex side, we do have the big boy wheel kit upgrade, so we can upgrade your Cimex to 10-inch wheels. We also have a stainless steel axle that's included in that, which is nicer than the stock axle. So we can go 10-inch wheels either way. So again, that's kind of apples to apples in that regard with the upgrade on the Cimex side. The Cimex has a 1.5 horsepower motor. The Vibe has a 1 horsepower motor. Both are adequate for their application. Works extremely well. The Cimex has a 6.5 gallon tank. The Vibe has a 4-gallon tank. Now, when you're doing large commercial work, those couple of extra gallons are going to be helpful. But again, for the intended application, both are nicely fitted with tanks that work well for the intended application. We'll talk more about application in just a minute. Now, basically, the two machines work differently. The Cimex is a planetary machine. What that means is that as the drive platform turns in one direction, as it turns clockwise, for example, the 3 pad drivers are spinning counterclockwise. So in other words, what we're doing is we're scrubbing right and left simultaneously. So we're hitting the carpet from all angles, from every direction at the same time, which is tremendous to give us good, even scrubbing agitation when it comes to carpet cleaning. It's also very safe because unlike a rotary machine that's just winding in one direction, we're going in 2 directions. So you might think about, as you would be damaging the carpet with a rotary machine, you're undamaging it because you're scrubbing right and left simultaneously. We're not pummeling the carpet in a singular direction like a rotary machine would be doing. Now on the other side, the Vibe takes a different approach. It's an oscillating or orbital type machine. So what it's doing is it's making small little oscillations about the size of a dime. The oscillations that it produces is 1,725 oscillations per minute, so there's a lot of agitation going on there. On the Cimex side, we have 400 RPM. So 1,725 oscillations, about the size of a dime, 400 RPM on the Cimex side, again in that planetary design going from all directions. So again, different ways to get to the same result. Both produce excellent agitation. Now, where would these machines be used? The Cimex is just rock solid when it comes to commercial encapsulation cleaning. Great Encap scrubber. It also has a wide range of brushes that can be attached to it for hard surfaces. We have brushes for tile and grout. We have brushes for concrete. We even have wire brushes. We have carbide scrapers. We have diamond abrasives. So you can really take it down that path, especially if you add the accessory weight kit to the Cimex. The CR48 can really double over and do some pretty serious floor care, as well as being a very, very capable commercial Encap scrubber. Now on the Vibe, what we have is the ability also to do a wide range of different floor restorations, such as wood floor applications, and using different attachments we can also really do a lot on the floor care side. The Vibe is particularly going to be good for using for bonnet cleaning. Keep in mind that because the Cimex is shower feed, in other words, the solution goes down through the pads, goes through the pad drivers, through our Fiber Plus pads that we use for scrubbing carpet, and we control it with our left hand. Gives us really good ability to shower feed and control the solution in a shampoo type encapsulation cleaning type application. On the Vibe, because the solution is being sprayed in front of the machine, It's really ideal for bonnet cleaning. Great for, because keep in mind, as you spray and you run the machine across it, you're going to absorb soil into the bonnet, whereas the Cimex is dispensing it through the pad to be used in a shampoo type application. Both work great. Again, just a different way to get there. So where would we use these machines? The Cimex would be my choice if I was going to do large commercial work. It's just great. It's a bulldozer when it comes to serious large-scale commercial. If you're going to do larger accounts, or if that's your bread and butter, you're really focused on commercial, Cimex is going to be great. Now, the Vibe is more of a crossover machine. Also good for commercial, but it can even get into residential. Better for moderate-sized commercial work. You can take it into the larger arena as well, but really it's going to find its place in medium-sized commercial work, smaller accounts. So if that's what you're doing, the Vibe's going to be great. Again, a little lighter, might be easier to get in and out of the truck. On the point of getting in and out of the truck, we do recommend ramps. We sell Link. Manufacturing makes a killer aluminum ramp, lightweight, easy to work with, very professional, safe for you and your technicians to pull any machine in and out of your truck. But either way you go, you're going to be happy. Both are just different animals. They both work extremely well for Encap scrubbing as well as for floor care applications. If you have more questions, please give us a call here at Excellent Supply, and we'll be happy to answer any of your questions and help you find the right machine to use in your particular application. And mention that you saw this video, and we'll throw in something a little extra for you. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.